Hey there, little explorers! It's me, Gibree, and today we're going on a sky-high adventure like never before. We're not just exploring, we're flying. From the highest altitudes of powerful eagles to the ground-level clucking of chickens, we'll meet incredible birds with amazing talents. Some fly high above the clouds, while others stay closer to the ground, just like us. And guess what? We're going to spell their names together as we soar from the sky to the land. So, grab your imaginary wings and let's dive right in. Ready, set, fly. Wow, look at this mighty bird. This is an eagle, one of the highest flying birds in the world. Eagles have incredible eyesight. They can spot their prey from miles away. They're powerful hunters, swooping down at great speeds to catch food. Eagles build huge nests high up in trees or cliffs, and they can live up to 30 years in the wild. They're also symbols of strength and freedom. All right, explorers! Let's play a spelling game. Say it with me. E A G L E Eagle. Now, let's make it fun. Try spelling it again, but faster this time. E A G L E Eagle. Great job, speed spellers! You nailed it! Eagles are so strong and mighty, but there's another bird coming up that loves to glide across the sea. Can you guess who's next? Let's find out! Next up, the albatross. Did you know that these birds have the largest wingspan of any bird, stretching up to 11 feet? They're amazing travelers, flying thousands of miles across the ocean without stopping. Albatrosses use the wind to glide effortlessly over the sea, and they can sleep while flying. These birds can live for over 50 years, making them some of the longest living birds. Ready for another spelling challenge? Let's tackle albatross together. A L B A T R O S S Albatross. That was a long one, wasn't it? Let's clap out the letters and spell it again. Ready? A L B A T R O S S Albatross. Fantastic! You're doing great! The albatross loves to travel far and wide, but our next bird is a master of soaring over the land. Who could it be? Let's dive down a little lower to meet them. Here's the vulture. Often seen circling high up in the sky. Vultures are nature's cleanup crew, eating leftover food that other animals leave behind, keeping our environment clean. They have excellent eyesight and a super strong stomach that helps them digest food that would make other animals sick. Vultures also have bald heads to stay clean while they eat. Let's spell vulture with some high-flying energy. V U L T U R E Vulture. Awesome! Now, let's flap our wings like a vulture while we spell it again. V U L T U R E Vulture. perfect, I bet the vultures would be proud. Vultures are amazing at keeping things clean up here, but let's swoop down to meet a bird that's fast, fierce, and fantastic at hunting. Who could it be? Look, it's a hawk! Hawks are known for their sharp talons and amazing hunting skills. They can dive at incredible speeds to catch their prey. Hawks have keen vision, almost 8 times sharper than humans, allowing them to see even the smallest movements on the ground. They're also great at soaring and gliding through the sky with very little effort. Time for some hawk spelling fun! H A W K Hawk. Let's try it while pretending to be hawks ourselves. Can you swoop down and spell it with me? H A W K Hawk. Great swooping and spelling. Hawks are speedy and sharp, but our next friend is even quicker. Who could possibly beat the hawk's speed? Let's find out together. Here's the falcon, one of the fastest birds in the world. Falcons can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour when diving for prey. They're expert hunters with sharp beaks and strong talons. Falcons have been trained by humans for thousands of years in a sport called falconry. They're incredibly agile and can change direction in a flash. Let's go into super speed mode like the falcon. F A L C O N Falcon. Amazing! Now, let's do it one more time like we're in a falcon race. Ready? F A L C O N Falcon. Woohoo! You spelled it lightning fast. Falcons are the speed champions of the sky, but our next bird has a special skill. It loves to hang out near the sea. Ready to meet a beach-loving flyer? Here come the seagulls. These birds are often found near the sea, flying over beaches and ports. Seagulls are super smart. They've learned how to drop clams from high up to crack them open on rocks. They can drink salt water thanks to special glands that remove the salt from their system. Seagulls are also known for their loud, cheerful calls. Let's spell seagull while we pretend to flap our wings like we're flying over the ocean. S E A G U L L Seagull. Fantastic flapping. Let's try it again with a splash. S E A G U L L Seagull. You are flying high. Seagulls are having fun by the water, but our next bird is a colorful chatterbox. Get ready to meet a bright and talkative friend. Wow, it's a colorful parrot. Parrots are some of the most intelligent birds and can mimic human speech. They love to eat seeds, fruits, and nuts, and their strong beaks help them crack open even the toughest shells. Parrots live in flocks and are known for being very social and playful. They can also live for many years, some even up to 80 years old. Parrots love to talk, so let's chat spell their name. Say each letter after me like you are a parrot. P A R R O T Parrot! Great job, little parrots! Let's spell it one more time in your best parrot voice.
P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Awesome, you sounded just like them.
Parrots are chatty and colorful, but our next bird is a familiar friend you've probably seen in your neighborhood. Let's find out who's next. Meet the pigeon. Pigeons are city birds that are excellent navigators. They can find their way home from far away, which is why they were once used to carry messages. They have been living alongside humans for thousands of years. Pigeons have great memory skills and can even recognize their own reflection in a mirror. Pigeons are everywhere, so let's spell their name together. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon! Now, let's do it again while pretending to bob our heads like pigeons do. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon! Great job, you little city explorers! Pigeons are cool city flyers, but let's head down a bit lower to meet a tiny bird that loves to chirp and hop around. Any guesses? And we've landed safely to meet our friend who flies around us. Look, it's the little sparrow. Sparrows are small, chirpy birds that love to hop around on the ground searching for seeds and insects. They are social birds that live in flocks and love to chatter with each other. Sparrows build their nests almost anywhere, from trees to rooftops and even on traffic lights. Let's spell sparrow like a hopping game. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow! Now, let's try spelling it again while hopping on one foot like a little sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow! Hopping and spelling, you are doing great! Sparrows are playful and cute, but who's that scratching around on the ground? Let's check out our last feathered friend of the day. Now let's meet our last friend, the chicken. Chickens are farm birds known for their clucking sounds and laying eggs. They have a great sense of time, recognizing when it's time to eat and sleep. Chickens are very social and love to communicate with each other using different sounds. They can also remember over 100 different faces. Let's finish strong by spelling chicken together. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken! Now let's do it again like we're pecking like a chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken! Clucktastic spelling, everyone! Phew! What an amazing journey from the sky to the ground! We met mighty eagles, speedy falcons, colorful parrots, and even playful chickens. Each bird had something special, just like you. Remember, birds are important to our world. They help keep nature balanced, spread seeds, and make our skies beautiful. So, let's be kind to our feathered friends and protect their homes. If you ever want to practice the bird names again or learn more, just fly back to this video anytime. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gibree the Explorer so we can keep exploring together. Until our next adventure, keep flying high in your imaginations. Bye-bye, little explorers!